Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to thank the bus driver in Fortnite. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you want to do is actually just load into a game, and then once we're connected to the server, we just want to go to our settings. So if you're playing on PC, you want to come over to this section where it says keyboard controls, and you want to just remember whatever your remote key is set to. So mine is set to B, and if you're playing on controller, we can head over to this controller tab and we can see what our remote is. So for me, it would be down on the D-pad. And now that we're on the bus, we can go ahead and click our remote button, and as you can see, when I click B, it successfully thanks the driver. So that's exactly how you can thank the bus driver in Fortnite. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.